Welcome to ACL Strong. This is our brand new signature program, and I'm super pumped to be bringing you our best stuff yet. So get ready to start moving better, feeling better, and saving your knees and body now so you can do all the things in life you want to. When it comes to prevention or longevity, most people don't do anything about it. They think getting hurt is just bad luck. They think aging means you have to give up the fun stuff. The truth is, all of us have hidden weaknesses or imbalances that make injuries more likely or age-related decline inevitable. We train smarter, not harder, so you feel better overall. You can feel better. You can get stronger and more balanced. You can avoid injuries. You can play with your kids or your grandkids or go out with your friends without worrying about not being able to keep up because of a knee or back problem. You don't have to give up sports and activities because of your age or whatever injuries you've been through in the past. Good movement is the secret to longevity. In fact, doing the right exercises the right way is the absolute best way to have less pain and a more active lifestyle. We want you to feel strong, energetic, and confident that your body will be able to keep up with your active lifestyle. We've put together the best exercises with an easy-to-follow, step-by-step proven strategy. In just a few weeks, you'll feel the difference and you'll be on a better track for living your best life.